My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the new ransomware that is called Supersuso. In this video guide, I will demonstrate to you how exactly this ransomware affects your files, what it does with your files, and how bad it is when the ransomware actually damages your data. So before the ransomware attack, of course, you will be able to open your files without any problems. You may open pictures, music, Microsoft Office package files, and other data that you store on the hard drive of your device. However, sometimes it may happen that due to the bad protection of your computer, poor protection of your computer by the current security software, some ransomware type infections may penetrate into your system and infect your system considerably. So after the ransomware actually enters your computer, it starts immediately encrypting the data, and soon you realize that this special Supersuso extension has been added to all your files. And you cannot open these files anymore because of this extension added. It's not just the extension, it's the complete encryption of all your files by this Supersuso ransomware. The ransomware tries to make you pay the tremendous amount of money in order to get your files decrypted, but there is no guarantee that you would get your files back even if you pay the ransom. So we strongly advise you to do the following. Go to the C drive or any other system drive you have on your computer. Go to Internet Explorer browser and its related folder, and we recommend you to download the special anti-ransomware tool immediately. The tool is called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. This program will help you to detect this Supersuso ransomware, to remove it effectively, and to protect your data from being encrypted and damaged in the future. Once you start Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. The trial mode of the program, however, only gives you quick scan, so you have no other option available. The premium version of the software also gives you full system scan and custom scan. After this scan type is selected, or you choose the quick scan type in the trial mode, click on Start Scan button. The program, even in the trial mode, will help you to fully analyze your computer, and you'll be able to see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scanning. But of course, you can also clearly see that the program might first update its anti-malware database in order to make sure that all the threats are properly detected during the scan. And you should not actually cancel this process, because this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program will begin the analysis of your computer, and then you will see the summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The scanning may take a while, it depends on how infected your computer is, but pay attention to some features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. You may go to Settings, select Anti-ransomware tab, and you will be able to add the special folder which will be protected against all possible ransomware attacks. However, remember that this particular feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of all threats that were found during the scan, and you'll be able to know their exact location on your computer, so you may remove each specific threat manually, one threat at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version to remove all such threats automatically.